Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix or to troubleshoot your Canon printer, and this model is TS3150. So I'll show you how to fix or to troubleshoot if you have this kind of problem with your printer. In my next clip, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So if your printer goes something like this, you just have to press this button. Long press it for like 10 seconds. And then release it afterwards. And then voila, you're good to go. Normally, it's gonna work. Normally, it's gonna be okay after that one. I hope I was able to help you with this video, and if you find it informative, helpful, please do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!